Alright, this is test number 2. We're working with 8-bit still. I am just doing test 1, but I'm reversing A and B, so this time around we are going to store value into B, we're going to transfer B to A, we're going to display A, and then we're going to display B, which can then be cleared because we transferred it. So we're going to enter in D6 for B in hexa, so we're just going to do that. Entered it in. Oh, there's register B, that's the value. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to transfer that to A, display A, and then we're going to display B, which should be cleared. And that is the end of this test.